Hello everyone. Today we will learn that how to create 3D from 2D. Okay, so we will create this 3D from this 2D. So let's get started. First of all, we'll click on part environment. We'll choose a top plane for the extrude first. Okay, it is 150 and 40, 38 plus 10. Okay, this means we will create mm. It is in now inch. We will change it in mm. Again, we will edit in the sketch. Then it is 40 plus 30 plus 10. Okay, okay. Now we will do a center line. Okay. Construction line. Okay, it is 10 mm, it is 38 mm, and this is 40 mm. Okay, it is 90, and it is 138. Okay, and this radius is 12 mm. Okay, now we trim extra. Okay, we have to fully define the sketch, and now we will mirror this profile we created now out this line. Trim. Okay, and now we'll doing this. Okay, it is 70, and this is 25. Now we'll this sketch symmetry about this construction line. Okay, it should be okay. We have to fully define sketch. Now we'll trim it. Okay, now you can see your profile is ready. This radius we will do it after created 3D. Okay, so and one circle is remaining. This circle is 32. Okay, so we will make it 32. The distance is 60 mm. It is 60 mm from this side. It will be coincident. Okay, now we will extrude it up to 10 mm. Okay, now we will create this area sketch. Okay, so we'll go again in sketch. Okay, first of all we will create a circle. The die is 50 mm. Okay, then we will make these lines. This will be tangent from with this and vertical. It is 10 mm and it is also 10 mm. Okay, now he's here. radius is 12. Okay, and it is okay. Now this radius is 12. Okay. Okay, guys. Now we'll mirror. All sketches should be fully defined. Now we'll mirror about this. Trim it. Okay. Now we will and need to create this sketch also. We'll convert it. Okay. Now we'll do it extrude up to. It is from here 45. Okay. It is 10 mm. Then we'll up to it 35 mm. Okay. It will be merged result. Okay. You will see the circle is this is step 10 mm step with the circle. So we'll make it cut here. Draw a circle. Okay. And the circle die is 50. Now cut extrude. Then click flip side to cut. Okay. Up to 10 mm. You can see step is generated. So okay, this area also created. Also we'll make it later, and now we'll create a bottom area. Okay, so first of all we will click after this we will make this. Okay, the dia is 38 and inside dia is 20. Okay, and it is up to 96. We will choose right plane for this extrude, and it is 38 and it is 20, not 20 inches, it is 20 mm. Okay, now see the drawing. No, okay, it is okay, it is with collinear with this with its center axis. Okay, so, okay, and this is 56 plus 10. Here it is 66, and it is 50. Then it will be 25. Okay, and it is we'll make it extrude with mid plane. Okay, the distance is 96. Then click merge, it will be uncheck. Okay, then we will cut extrude. Okay, now we'll symmetric this. Okay, this cut extrude distance is 64, and this will be collinear with it, and cut our body. Okay, now we will create this body. Okay, from this face, create it is tangent. Okay, now it is 30 mm, it is 33, this center. Okay, okay, and it will be also with this tangent. Okay, now convert entity and trim this. Okay, now there is a step. Okay, it is 96 and it is 64. 96 minus 64, 32 divided by 2, it is 16. Okay, and it is 10. It means the step is 3. So now click on extrude. Okay, and the distance of extrude is 10 mm and it will be blind. Flip this side and offset is 3 offset. Okay, click on OK. Okay guys, now we will mirror about the right plane. We will click on feature. This feature will, okay, now you can see almost our model is ready except radiuses and holes. Now we'll click on, now we'll do the holes. We'll take a simple hole. Simple hole is the whole dia is 10 mm. Okay, and distant is 23, and the 126 is center to center. So click this face. Okay, it is at 23, and it is 126. Okay guys, right, it is 126. Okay, now that click on okay. Okay, now we'll, okay, now we'll do a flat. Okay, first of all with this plane. Okay, see here there is 6 R6. Okay, okay, now R6 is R6 and here. Okay, and it is R3 here. Okay, R6, R6 here, and R3 here. Okay, okay, here's also R12. As I can see, it is our almost model is ready now. Appearance set. Okay guys, just like you can convert the 2D drawing into 3D. Thank you.